Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be looking at this Chinese AK-47 toy. It looks almost like an airsoft gun, functions kind of like one, but it actually shoots Nerf darts. So we just put them in the barrel, cock it, and fire. It's actually surprisingly powerful. I mean, I've only shot it a few times. It has a removable magazine. It's actually really impressive for, I think I paid like, 15-20 bucks for it, maybe. So, yeah, let's take a closer look at it. You take the pellets and you dump them in water. Then you give it about 4 hours and they swell up to about the size of a paintball, just a little bit smaller, but it's actually crazy how well they hold water. So to load it, you'll open up a little tab in the scope and then you can drop in the water pellets and they just kind of make their way down to the lower receiver. And then you fire. And these ones shoot alright. Every other shot, does a little bit better. The Nerf darts do pretty well. You can stick them to windows from pretty far distances, and it's pretty powerful overall. For outdoor use, it has a range of about 20 to 30 feet. Not terrible, good for just playing outside and whatnot. You can still hit your targets. It's actually very detailed too. I own an actual AK-47 and they have quite a few details pretty well. Like the receiver, all the parts are there, even if they're just imitation parts. The removable magazine functions just like the actual AK-47. You actually have to kind of tip it up in. You catch it on the little lip and just tip it up in, then you pull the tab to release it. So that's it for this review, guys. I hope you stay tuned and watch the next one. Thanks for watching.